and welcome back to Cat Science Cup. My name's Allison, and today we will be learning the difference between a smoker's lung and a healthy lung. Let's get started. So for today's experiment, all you will need is a pair of scissors, a 2-liter bottle, 4 balloons, some clay, 2 straws, and some duct tape. Pretty simple, huh? First things first, you're going to want to cut the bottom of the 2-liter bottle off with adult supervision, of course. Next, you're going to want to take the duct tape and wrap it around the bottom of the 2-liter bottle, like so. Okay, now once your 2-liter bottle looks like this and there's no hard or rough edges along the bottom, you're ready to go. I decided to have a dark balloon to represent the smoker's lung and a red balloon to represent the healthy lung. So, first things first, you're going to take your dark balloon, or whichever balloon you decided will represent the smoker's lung, and you're going to want to put a balloon of the same size inside of the dark balloon. Now this can be hard or it can be easy depending. I decided to actually use the straw to help me put it in there. I'll show you. Next thing you want to do is you're going to take both balloons and you're going to try to duct tape them to the top of a straw. Next thing you want to do is you're going to want to put the balloons with the duct tape and the straw inside of the 2-liter. Once they are inside, you're going to want to take your clay and seal off the top of the 2-liter. Alright, this is super important that you make sure there is no holes in the clay because you don't want any air to escape. Now, smoking can cause blockages in the lungs, so you're going to want to take a tiny piece of clay and actually put it down the straw of the lung that is black. Okay, last step is you're going to want to cut a little teeny tiny bit of a big balloon off the bottom. And now I'm going to ask my friend, and you might have to ask a friend to help you, put the balloon on the bottom of the 2-liter. Alright. Now you have something that looks like this, and it might have, kind of crushed your 2-liter bottle. No fear, you're going to want to take some duct tape no matter what and wrap it around the balloon so that there's no spots for air to leak out. Now that you have have the duct tape completely sealing off all the air within the 2 liter, you're going to want to take the bottom balloon and pull it out. And what you will notice is that not only does the red balloon, so the healthy balloon, expand more than the black balloon, but the red balloon also fully contracts while the black balloon just stays still. So what that means is that a smoker's lungs can neither expand or contract at the same rate as a healthy lung. So they can't, fully get in air or fully expel out the correct amount of air that a healthy lung could. As you notice, this black balloon actually doesn't move at all. And if you listen to your straws, you can hear the air going out of the healthy balloon, but you cannot hear the air going out of the black balloon at all, showing that no air really, a lot less air can come in and out of a smoker's lung than a healthy person's lung. So kids, don't smoke. And I hope you enjoy this science experiment. I know I did. Thanks for watching Cat Science Club. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get updated every single time we post our fun science activities. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about Cat Science Club, check us out online at catscienceclub.com. Thank you again for watching and enjoy your science activities.